Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial. Got a little something different today for you. These are all items you could use anywhere in any kind of a manufacturing, household, garage, kitchen, you name it. I mean, these are some neat little ideas I just want to share with you. What we do here is we're an aluminum extruder. So when you look at these shapes right through here and up in here, we extrude all of this. These are made out of aluminum sheet material. So we shape those by bending the sheet together, and we have different strengths here. We have an 18 gauge and we have a 12 gauge here, which is a heavier gauge. They all have a marine edge on these two shells, so if you would spill some water or something on there, it would not run off. You mount them yourself on wherever you need to have them. The other thing that I think is kind of neat, you can take this gusset off on the corner. You can flip that up and you can have it into a little bookcase. I've done that. On the top here, this is one that we use a lot of time in garages and stuff to put tools, weed eaters, something like that to store it. The same with this. Just want you to see some new ideas that you can use in your own facilities. We sell these in every size, practically under the rainbow as far as I'm concerned, but you can go online at New Age Industrial, you can find them. Email us at sales@newageindustrial.com or visit us online at newageindustrial.com. Appreciate your time. Thank you for listening.